recent conflict between Iran and Israel was not just a brutal assault on humanity itself. Israel launched a powerful offensive using deadly weapons like Delilah cruise missiles, Jericho ballistic missile system. These attacks targeted not only military sites but also several civilian areas in Iran. In response, Iran retaliated using powerful missiles such as the Fa-110, Shahab-3, and its latest Khaybar missile system, equipped with GPS-guided technology and capable of long-range precision strikes. The damage was immense. Iran suffered severe human and infrastructural losses. Over 200 killed, hundreds injured, and dozens of buildings, schools, and hospitals were reduced to rubble. This war reminds us of a bitter truth. In a world armed with it, humanity remains the most fragile target. Until the world chooses peace over power, the fire of war will continue to burn everything. Our dreams, our children, and our conscience. If you want to watch the full video on this topic, visit our second YouTube channel. The link is available in our comment section and bio.